Children, let's continue with the second stanza of the poem Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. And the stanza goes like this: Aunt Jennifer's fingers fluttering through her wool find even the ivory needle hard to pull. The massive weight of Uncle's wedding band sits heavily upon Aunt Jennifer's hand. Word meanings: fluttering is a little complicated. So, the meaning is to move in quick, irregular motions as if being agitated. The explanation of the stanza goes like this. The first line says that Aunt's fingers are trembling because she is afraid that her husband might come and see her making tapestry. She's scared that he would scold her for sitting idle and wasting her time. So, the first line, children, itself shows that Aunt Jennifer lives under the dominance of her husband, and she's so scared that she cannot perform the daily course of life, that she finds the needle so hard to pull because her fingers are tired of working endlessly all through her life. Now, Uncle's wedding band is also a very important symbol here. This wedding band is a symbol of oppression in marriage, and this band was given to her at the time of marriage, and that she puts on her hand as a symbol of being married. Interestingly, this band for people may be, a band or a symbol of compatibility, of happiness, of togetherness, etc., in the bond of marriage. But here for Aunt Jennifer, this band has become bondage, and she is still burdened by the weight of the ring. And weight here means the encirclement or trapping that has fallen upon her by getting married to him. So for her, this wedding has become a bondage, as she is unable to enjoy the freedom, the fearlessness, the respect that these tigers have. And why these tigers have? Because these tigers are created by Aunt Jennifer, and they are the alter ego of Aunt Jennifer. So they enjoy the happiness, freedom, and they live with respect and chivalry, which Aunt Jennifer has dreamt of. And that is why she's created tigers. So the band stands for the obligations of married life, which she has been burdened with all her life. And she has become the man's property, as if. So children, I told you in the beginning only about the poet Adrienne Cecily Rich, that she was a very famous essayist and a staunch feminist. So here we see the theme of feminism has been highlighted. Aunt Jennifer has become the symbol of all those women who suffer in their married life, and therefore the concept of a woman becoming the man's property who she marries has been here evoked out. The heaviness of the band is again very important here, which you should understand, because band is used as a symbol of bondage. So the heaviness symbolizes the oppression that she feels in her marriage. So it's not the actual band that's making her afraid, but everything that the band symbolizes: her marriage, her husband, and the patriarchal society that limits the freedom of women. I hope you've understood the stanza and you followed everything. So let's discuss about the poetic devices used here. In this stanza, the first one is alliteration in fingers fluttering. The second one is hyperbole. When aunt finds even the small ivory needle hard to pull, you can also say that there is a kind of paradox to irony too, because the needle is very, very light, but Aunt Jennifer finds it very hard to pull. Then there is symbolism, which I discussed in the beginning only. The massive weight of uncle's wedding band is a symbol of oppression. It sits heavily upon Aunt Jennifer's hand.